Hi everyone, welcome to Cool Products. Today I will be unboxing Riwbox wireless headphones. This product I purchased from Amazon. It is a wireless Bluetooth earphone which you can get at an affordable price. This model is known as XBT80. It has a inline microphone. Along with it supports both wired connection and wireless connections. Let me unbox this and see how it looks like. It's packed very well. Here is the headphone. It has a soft strap on top of it so that it feels comfortable on your head, and the build quality is very good. It has adjustable things so that it fits people of any size. This left, let me check. I have provided an instruction manual, and this is the wired one which you can use. And here is the charging cable. Let me connect this with my phone and see how it looks like. I connected this with my phone. It was very easy to connect. Let me increase the volume and see how it's. The sound quality is very good. And it also has the controls over here. You can see like the forward move, forward, backward, and the power button, and also you can pause or play. So this headphone looks very stylish. You can see the golden color over here, and the build quality is very good. And also you can connect it with the wired mode. Yeah, I recommend this Bluetooth headphones because it comes at an affordable price, and it looks stylish, and it has many features. The sound quality is comparable to top-notch headphones.